Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva of Very Mixed Journals over at Instagram. For today, I have a very exciting share. It's going to be different from my usual videos here, but I just really wanted to share this on camera because I am so excited to be receiving this. So a while back, Crafty Lisa's Vintage in Instagram had a giveaway to celebrate one of her milestones, and I joined the giveaway and I won the first prize, which is these a bunch of different ephemera, vintage ephemera from her shop. Now if you are not familiar with Lisa's shop, I will link her Instagram down below. Even before winning this prize, I buy a lot of ephemera from her. I really love the stuff that she have in her shop. She's one of the ones who actually ship here to the Philippines, so I'm really glad about that. And I was really excited to win the giveaway, and I waited patiently for this to arrive because, as you know, it takes a while for all of my deliveries to get here in the Philippines, but I don't mind because I am super excited to go through all of these. So I think these were my prices, and then this set is from one of my purchases. And if you look at it, one of the things I love about Lisa's shop is that this is how she packages the ephemera that you will buy from her. So you actually know what you'll be getting. I mean, of course you know because you bought it, but this is such a neat way of presenting all of the items. So these are what I bought from her, and she also usually gives a free set, and I just really love using all of them because I mean the free gift is always a plus, and it's something I don't know, you know, it's a mystery gift. You don't know what you'll get, so I'm always happy to receive that. So thank you so much, Lisa. And of course, thank you so much for this giveaway. I'm so excited. I probably won't speak much. I'll just go through each and every item. Maybe I'll reserve the big ones for later, but let's go through this one first. I probably wouldn't be, actually let me grab a box so that I can keep all of these in one box. Alright, I'm back. So I'll keep everything that I got in this little box so I don't lose them, and I make sure to, you know, use them after. So we have milk bottle caps. I really love these because you can use them as a topper. Usually I stick this at the edge of a page so it becomes a tab, or you can also put this on top of a tag as a like a tab holder. So I love that this has a lot of different colors. I have a milk chocolate one. We have those. We also have a washi, I think. Oh no, this is film. This would be vintage films. I really thought they were washies, but they're vintage films. Yeah, that is super cool. This one I'll keep in a plastic because this is the first time I've received one of these. I don't know what I'll be using it for yet, but I'm sure I'll be able to find the use for it. Let me know if there's something here that you want me to start using right away. Maybe I can make, you know, a craft with me. We can do that. So these, this little bag is a bunch of food stamps. These would be food stamps, and then these are just regular postage stamps. This one is blue chip stamps. There's also blue chip stamps. So I'm not keeping these in plastic because I probably won't remember to use them if they're in a plastic. I've received some of these kinds of stamps in the past before. Lots of different colors, variety of colors. This one is fun. So these would be little, I saw these in her shop as well. I think I bought one as well a while back. These are little fabric samples that you can, you know, add to a tag, add to a page as a tab. A good selection there. And then different vintage buttons. So that one I'll keep in the plastic as well. This one, vintage keys and some other bits. I saw these. I think I saw these in her shop a while back as well. So vintage key. This is super cute. Vintage coin. I don't know if this is attached or if she attached it, but yeah, love those. So we're now moving into a little bit of the bigger pieces. I see one label that I am excited to use. Let's see what we have. These vintage labels. Love those. More labels. Coupons. I think I saw these before as well. And tabs. Ooh, more labels. Cutouts. Flavored drink labels. Some coupons. Oh, I love these. I don't think I've seen this before. For vodka. This must be wine labels. Yeah. I love these. It's embossed and has a really good gold shine to it. Oh, blues. Lots of blues. And then this would be seed packets. Don't think I have any seed packets, so I will probably be hoarding those for a long time. We're moving into the last piece from the first packaging. Okay. Alright. Oh, you can see some more bingo cards here. This is a letter that's folded. It's really small. Love that. Bingo cards. I don't know if they're cards, if they're thin, maybe bingo paper. More labels. Paper money. Ah, my son will love these. I think I bought some of these also before. Some receipts. Some cards. Postcards. This is sweet. I don't know if this is Russian. And then more labels. Alright, let's move to this one. I think this will be a bunch of cards and cutouts. So we have birds and flowers in here. Day. And then some floral and nature cards. Some plain cards. Super sweet. And cards. This would be little bits. Let's see what they are. Might be some price tags. Yeah, those would be price tags. I wonder if there's stickers. They're probably stickers. These are cool. They're like stamps, but paper. Then you have these Kodaks. There's some price tags. Here, I think would be cigar labels and some tickets. Yeah. Some red cigar labels, and we have tickets. These are those like super smooth tickets. Then regular tickets in different colors. Love those. So the bigger ones I probably won't be able to fit in my little box, so I'll keep them somewhere safe. I love these little tags. Cigarette cards. Oh, this one I also bought more of those. Fortunes. There's cigarette cards. Some tags. Fortunes. And more tags. Okay, let's see what these are. Okay, here we go. I think this would be receipts or checks. Yeah, they would be checks. No, they don't fit in the box. So checks. It's a popcorn paper bag. Cat food. Cat food label. This might be vintage wrapping papers. Oopsie. Not good. Not good. Alright. Shipping label. Oh, this is fun. The carbon copy is still there. Yaxi scorecard, score sheets, bridge, bowling, a railway. Oh, this is like a telegram. More telegrams. Railroad. Book pages. With really nice aging. This is a encyclopedia dictionary, dog food label. I don't know if this is wallpaper or just wrapping paper. Alright, we have those, and then these huge ones. I think this would be more book pages, like really big book. Let's see. Okay. Book page. So the good ones to cut out. Sheet. Music books. Book page. Booklets. And then these are big music sheets, an advertisement, page. This really thick vintage paper, onion skin paper, map, atlas probably. Oops. Okay. My papers. This will really go well in any journal. More labels. Tuna. Don't know what that is. A letter. Big sheet music. Look at that. Melody of Love. Then a big book page with birds. So that's it. That's all of my prize from CraftyLisasVintage giveaway. I am so happy that I won. There's just so many of these and I can't wait to get into them. Again, thank you so much, Lisa, for hosting the giveaway. And if you haven't checked out her shop, the link is to her Instagram shop is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything here that you particularly want me to work with in a craft with me, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe so that you'll be notified of my future videos, and hit the alarm, the bell, the little bell, so that you know when there's a new video that's coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.